In this video, I will show you exactly how to master the merge node in N8N and explain why it is such a critical component for your automation workflows. When you build complex automations, you often find yourself creating separate branches to handle different data sources or various logic paths. The merge node acts as the essential bridge used to bring those separate branches back together into a single, unified stream so that your downstream nodes can process the combined data effectively. Let us walk through the setup process together, starting with the very first step, which is connecting your branches. You will notice that the merge node looks slightly different from standard nodes because it features multiple input ports stacked vertically on its left side. To get started, simply drag a connection line from your first data source or branch A and plug it into input 1, which is the top port. Next, you need to drag a line from your second data source, known as branch B, and connect it to input 2 at the bottom port. Once your branches are properly connected, you can move on to step 2, which is choosing your specific merge mode. Double-click the merge node to open its parameters and look at the strategy options available to you. The strategy you choose depends entirely on how your data maps together. You might want to append data, which simply adds items from one branch to another, or perhaps you need to merge by index, where the first item of one branch matches the first item of the second. There is also a powerful mode to merge by a common property, such as an email address or a unique ID, which ensures that related information is combined into a single object.